What is going on? Mr. Crazy 1870 looking at the all-new Samsung Galaxy Note 9. On the front, we have the all-new famous S Pen, and by the color of it, you can maybe tell what color the Note 9 is. Up first, we do have some literature. You have a welcome start guide, some warranty info. You're also going to get a SIM card tool, which is pretty cool. Here we have the sexy ass Galaxy Note 9, which I will come back to in a bit. Here you have a USB charger, you have some included AKG earbuds, and it looks like it comes with this nylon twisted cable material. You have a built-in mic and your up and down switches. Extra earpieces, USB connector, and your power brick. So back to the Note 9. Now I believe this is the baseline model, 128 gigs of storage, 6 gigs of RAM with a Snapdragon 845. You got your volume up and down buttons, Bixby button, your power button, and looking at the rear end, you do have the fingerprint scanner, the camera section, which is rocking two 12 megapixel cameras with the built-in flash. Looking towards the bottom end, you do have your headphone jack, charging port, and your handy dandy S Pen. All right, so let's talk a little bit of the display. Now this is rocking a 6.4 inch to be exact Infinity display, which looks really nice. I'm really looking forward to testing out the display, watching a couple more content, and playing a couple games just to kind of get a real good feel for it. Another real cool feature of the phone is the battery. Now this does have a 4,000 milliamp battery, which I will be testing out the battery life on this beast. All right, so I kind of wanted to try out a couple features with the S Pen. So here we have a couple options. Let's go ahead and try out screen write. Damn, I got a fat tip. So right here, I could either share it, send it, crop it. Let's go ahead and pretty much erase. Pretty cool. Go ahead and exit out of here. And then we got another one that is create a note. Same thing right here. Pretty cool. Go ahead and exit out of here. And we also got another one where you could take selfies and take pictures using the S Pen as well. Bang, bang. Double click. Bang, bang. One more. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Now this is pretty much packed with a lot of features, which I pretty much need to kind of rock it for a little bit, try out all the features and whatnot, and pretty much follow back in the full review. But nonetheless, the phone feels super, super beastie. It's fully featured. I will follow back in the full review. Let me know what you guys think of the Galaxy Note 9. Drop your comments in the comments section down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.